What we have discovered through the testing and sampling that's been done is that very early on, we have estimated, based on our sampling and modeling, about 3,500 dead fish across that space, across those streams, tributaries, waterways.
Even though some rail cars did have hazardous material on board, and while most of them not, that's why it was not categorized as a high hazardous material train. Frankly, if this is true, and I'm told it's true, this is absurd.
Most people can be around these volatile organic compounds at low levels without really feeling health effects. However, at higher levels, especially over a longer period of time, then we can have longer-term health effects, and that's why there is the concern around these compounds.